approximately 100 veterans attend our university today and contribute richly to our community through leadership, excellence, integrity, and service. Veterans best reflect the values that our university stands for.
So today we have our 6th annual Veterans Day ceremony and concurrent with our inaugural salute induction. So today was just a great day to celebrate the lives of the veterans and to induct new members to the Salute, which is a Veterans National Honor Society. So students who undergrad have a 3.0 and above and grad students who have a 3.5 and above are allowed into the Salute National Honor Society. It's important not just because of the service that we do, but because we continue to serve. You know, once you're done with your active duty or your reserve contract, you continue to serve your community, you continue to strive for excellence in academics and whatever it is you do. So it's important to recognize that these individuals are continuing to strive for excellence and perfection outside of their military service.